Hello, this is Mosh Bari. Welcome to this video. In today's video, I will share how you can make $100,000 a day. Wow, that's a bold comment. $100,000 a day. Mosh, did you make that much money? Yes, I did. Do you do it every day? No, I don't. But I still have a 7-figure per year online business company. Online based business company. And we create awesome softwares, contents like this, totally helpful, free, and this content will make you money pretty much guaranteed if you take action, because it also comes with my software. Our software, 100% free. This software helps us make money and it will help you make money if you use it. Link in the description, you can get the software, and this video is totally free. This video content can be used to learn how to make money from anywhere on the planet. Wherever you are from, you can learn and make money. The best of the best part, you can do it for free without any investment starting today. And I highly recommend, don't miss a single second of this video. And because I personally do it, I recommend you use a pen and a paper to take quick notes. In which part of the video you see what and what did you see. Take quick notes. These notes will remind you what was in the video, what was the video, this video, and the how-tos, the steps 1, 2, 3. By the way, there are a couple of steps in this video. Don't miss those steps. There is a story part in this video, a very important lesson I learned from a 9-figure marketer, maybe 8 or 9-figure marketer. He is really big and really well known, and I learned a really tiny little thing from him that changed my life. And this is going to change your life as well. I'm going to show you how this also changed somebody else's life. In fact, maybe thousands or maybe millions of people's life, and you can become just one of them. Nothing new. It's old and it's working perfectly. I highly recommend you watch the full video and start taking action right here, right now. Let's do this. Before we begin, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and switch on the notification bell button, as this way you will get notified when we will upload our next video. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. Sharing is caring, because this way you help them learn how to make money online. You become a cool person. They come to know what you are following, what you are doing, and they will share your content with their friends and family and social media contacts when you will start. And you will get free views, free traffic, free leads, and free sales. Yeah, that could be the beginning of your new income system that will go viral and will explode your bank account. PayPal account it may be, crypto account it may be. But go ahead, do all these things, and let's move on to the next section of the video. Back when I started in 2010, I didn't know what to do. Just like every beginner, I was looking around in the forum, in social media. Back then, social media was not that popular. There were email marketing and there were basically forums. And I found one person called Anik Singhal. I don't remember where I found him, but I found his product. It was a $300 product or $400 product named the Empire Formula. That product was the foundation of my product launch, product creation, and affiliate marketing business. And I followed Anik Singhal for a long time. Anik Singhal back then was a ClickBank product creator, a big launcher, an influencer, and I saw him making videos. And I knew that today or tomorrow down the line, either on the camera or off the camera, my company has to make videos. Videos are coming. Now, I learned one thing from his videos. That was the whole change of my business. That was the aha moment, the wow factor. Until date, I get views, I get traffic, I get leads, I get sales from that one single thing, and that is called free. So Anik Singhal shared in one of his videos saying that, hey, put free everywhere in your life. I'm sure if Anik by any chance watch this video, he will relate. He will agree that he said it somewhere. That add free everywhere and give away free. Add free on the top, add free on the headline, add free on the content, bullet points, call to actions, buy buttons everywhere, and give away free. Until date, Anik Singhal's company, Learn.com, which is really a big company, very well-known company, it's a brand. They are making free content. They're making free content on YouTube. I'm not sure I saw him on YouTube, but I saw him a little bit, not that much. But I saw him a lot on podcasts. He does a podcast, and he attracts serious customers, serious people who are ready to invest money. So the relationship he builds and his company builds by giving away free information, stories, case studies, applications, innovative and inspiring content drive traffic towards them. That traffic by the heck out of them, and they are so popular and so productive and so much profitable company today. So that was the foundation, that one little free. Till date, whatever I make or we make from our company, we give away free. Now listen to this. This video can be a part of high ticket programs to inspire my high paid customers, but instead we're giving this away to you. And we know you can differentiate between false content, fake content, and the real content. When you see us doing the real thing, helping you out with our information, with our software, with our stories, you will follow us, and eventually, if you find a good product from us, you will buy for sure, right? Even if you're not buying anything right now, don't worry about it. Keep watching. This video will make you money. So back to Anik Singhal. In Empire Formula, Anik Singhal shared how to make $300,000 per year. And now we're going to share with you how to make $100,000 a day. Yes! Okay, Anik Singhal. I saw Anik's post sharing a story of a person who is basically, let me tell you, she makes up to, let me read it loud for you, and we're gonna use the screenshot on the somewhere here. Okay, here. She makes up to $100,000 a day from free traffic from TikTok, selling Microsoft Excel courses. Wow. Meet Kat Norton. All right, we got it right now. Okay, so let's go to TikTok, and this is Kat Norton. It's not Kat Norton, it's Kat Norton. All right, she's Miss.Excel, and she calls herself Chief Excel Officer. Super creative and entertaining. Now, if you look at her videos, TikTok videos are maximum 3 minutes long, right? But this video is only 13 seconds long. 13 seconds long. Really, not too many likes or too many comments. Very few, like 1,115 likes for a person like her and 26 comments. What is she doing here? He's sending a message on top. Now let's check another video. Alright, this is an 11-second video, and it's a bunch of screenshots of Excel and Google spreadsheet, and it's just a tip. Okay, let's go check her out on Google. You'll find she's really awesome. Check her out on LinkedIn. You'll find most of her involvements. Check her out on this article, which is basically a recording of her podcast with decoder and the transcript of that podcast. Now here's an interesting thing. She sells her products for minimum $297 to maximum $997. So at $997 price point, when 100 people buys from her, she makes $100,000 easy peasy. Now the amount of traffic she gets, it's easy to make a lot of sales per day. That's what she's doing. If you go to her Twitter, she will find she's very active there, and she's posting, and other people are posting. All right, okay. And in the Twitter bio, she has a link to her course on Thinkific. So this is how our courses look like. Now back to how you can make money. Before we begin, let me explain what she has done. She has done nothing but giving away free at first. So she is giving away free solutions to Excel or Microsoft spreadsheet problems. And she is dancing a little bit. Don't worry about the dance. She is doing it because she can. If you don't do it and for that you get some low number of clicks, it's okay. You can do it in other ways. But the most important thing here, the people who are looking for the tips on Google spreadsheet and Microsoft Excel, they're not looking at her dance. So dances are not important for this niche. If you are not dancing or not on the camera, don't worry about it. You just need to create this type of thing. What type of thing? Something that you can do and others need it. Alright, if you look around, she's posting a lot of videos. All the videos are tiny little size, 10 seconds, 15 seconds, 30 seconds. Maximum 3 minutes is the length she can do on TikTok. We found the Chief Excel Officer on Instagram as well, and on the Instagram bio you see another link. That link will take you everywhere. All the courses, the free live Excel class, details on bulk discounts, get my free functions guide. One more thing, free. All courses, register in Excel, and free. So give away free stuff that you can do and others need. Okay, I'm gonna sign up to this. Lady. She is just awesome. I need to learn from her. Maybe we will make another $100,000 per day. Okay, awesome. Now you also know how to create a high quality opt-in page, right? Now here is a software that you can use for free. Link in the description is my software, by the way. I'm giving away for free as usual because Anik Singhal taught me that, and that made me money. I mean, 7-figure per year. For that, it's free and you're going to make money just like Kat. So I'm going to show you a video quickly because it's a short video. Now let me show you the video we made using Epic. Kat Norton makes $100,000 per day from free traffic on TikTok and Instagram selling Excel courses. Literally anyone can do this, including you. What she does is she puts her website link in her bios in all her channels, and the channels send customers to her. You can do the same using Epic software. Step number 1, copy any image link. Step number 2, paste it right here. Step number 3, add voiceover using Epic's text to natural voiceover system. Get your free access to Epic from the pinned comment. Like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this. Alright, that's it. Now let me show you how we made it. Go to edit, or we can simply clone the same campaign. All we have done is take 2 screenshots. Let's say we want to make a video around cat. So what I'm going to do is take screenshot using any free screenshot software. So the selected area, we're going to take screenshot from here and capture. Once we are done, we're going to download it. Now I'm going to drag and drop this image right here. The image is ready to use and I'm going to use it here. Awesome. Why not we add a new bite-sized video? We're going to add the image here, and to make it a little dramatic, I'm going to rotate it or just put it right here. And if I want to point at something, I'll just use some arrow from somewhere. Okay, so this is the point. And then I want to add text and voiceover. So for that, I can go anywhere. I can simply copy this text, Control C, go to the text section, click the text generator, paste it here, and I can rewrite it using AI. But AI sometimes creates random text, so you may or may not like it. They summarize, they create a new story around it. So sometimes, to be on the safe side and save time, we're going to simply spin the text. So this way, one of the highest quality spinner that we have integrated in this software will rewrite the text, making it unique but will not lose the grammatical integrity. So my favorite text, we can copy this text to use it later and add text here. Couple of enters and you can remake the whole thing using this method. I like this. Now I'm going to the audio section and I can simply read out loud using my microphone and record it from this icon. Or if I have a voiceover file, I will just upload it, or I will use text to audio. So I will click text to audio to show you. Just name it anything, one of my favorite voices, and I'll just paste the text. Now submit and the voiceover is generated. Let's listen to the audio quickly.
CAT is a one-woman procedure with no personnel or management layer.
Good, awesome. So we're gonna add this, but at the same time, we don't want the full text right here. We want to make it a little dynamic. So I'm gonna cut it and I'll add more text. Then I'll cut it from here and I'll add this text. Now again, I'll cut it from here and then I'll add right this, okay? Okay, my point of doing this is that the first one will be right here.
It's a one-woman procedure with no personnel or
Now the second one will come here, and the third one will be this one. Fourth one will be here. In this way, we'll get some dynamic effect with simple text. So let me show you how it works.
CAT is a one-woman procedure with no personnel or management layer. She utilizes her Apple iPhone and also customer software program to make her videos, as well as I have actually reached state. She has among the healthiest partnerships with the social systems of maybe any creator I have actually ever spoken to.
You got it?
She considers them purely as marketing networks for the video program she offers elsewhere.
Cool stuff. Once it is done, I'll just click render and the video will be ready. That's how we are publishing videos without any interruption or any difference in results. And we are running multiple channels using only Epic, and you can get it for free. Link in the description, go get it. So whatever you know, put it in Epic. Give away for free on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook. Facebook recently, from today, initiated Reels, open for everyone. So the tall videos and short videos are getting more popular, getting more promoted. Use them, get all traffic, make all money. Did you like this video? No? Yes? Whatever it is, hit the like button, subscribe, and switch on the notification bell button, as this way you will get notified when we will upload our next money-making video, which will come with our premium software free as well. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and family and all your social media contacts, because you want to help them, right? Sharing is caring. They know you as a helpful person, they may follow you, they may share your content with other people, and their friends and family becomes your lead sales. And this might be the start of a 7, 8, or 9 figure business. Who knows? Go ahead, share this video, and we will see you in the next video.